I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money into your Telcel account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telcel app. Launch the Telcel app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the recharge section. Once you're in the app, find and tap on the recharge or top up option. This is usually located in the main menu. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount of money you wish to deposit into your account. Double check to ensure it matches your intended deposit. Note, if you accidentally enter the wrong amount, you might need to start the process over. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your transaction and hit the confirm button to complete the deposit. You should receive a confirmation message shortly after. That's it. You've successfully deposited money into your Telcel account. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy recharging!